Can the quiet act of sitting still really transform one's life? Can it bring clarity and peace amidst the chaos of the world? Welcome to the exploration of meditation, a practice as ancient as humanity itself and its surprising benefits. Imagine a microscope, that powerful tool that brings the unseen into sharp focus, revealing the hidden wonders of the microscopic world. Meditation, in many ways, works just like a microscope. But instead of magnifying minute organisms or complex structures, it magnifies our understanding of life, our emotions, our thoughts, and the very nature of existence. As we sit quietly, focusing on the breath or a chosen mantra, we are tuning the microscope of our mind. We are adjusting the knobs, bringing the inner workings of our consciousness into clear view. Just as a scientist might observe a specimen under the lens, we begin to observe our thoughts, our feelings, and our reactions with detachment. This mindful observation, this deep, focused attention, is akin to shining a light on the darkest corners of our psyche. And just as a microscope reveals the intricate details of a leaf or a drop of water, meditation uncovers the subtle nuances of our internal world. It helps to understand the source of our suffering, the roots of our fears, and the true nature of our desires. With this understanding comes transformation. The microscope of meditation, once properly focused, can reveal the impermanent nature of our thoughts and emotions. It can unveil the interconnectedness of all beings. It can expose the illusory nature of the self. It can help us see that we are not our thoughts, not our emotions, nor our physical bodies, but something far more profound. This is the beauty of meditation. It not only provides a respite from the noise and busyness of the world, but it also offers a profound understanding of life and suffering. Just as the microscope has revolutionized science and medicine, meditation has the power to revolutionize our lives, leading us towards greater peace, compassion, and wisdom. In summary, meditation is a powerful tool, a mental microscope, if you will, that allows us to observe the inner workings of our mind. It brings clarity and understanding, helping us to navigate life with greater ease. It reveals the transient nature of our thoughts and feelings, the interconnectedness of all beings, and the true nature of the self. So, make time for silence, for stillness, for meditation, and discover the transformative power of this ancient practice. For in the quiet act of sitting still, one can indeed find a world of wisdom and peace.